Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Tantan instant dating app on your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your App Store or your Play Store and bring up the search bar and type in Tantan and hit the search. Over here you can see the Tantan application on your mobile device. Just click on that application. From over here, you can install the application by clicking on install button. If you want to see the reviews, scroll down a bit. Over here, you can see the rating and reviews. And I'm going to install this application. It might take a while to install depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it. See guys, your application has been installed. Now enjoy this app by clicking on open button. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.